So the next step is we're preheating the oven to 350 degrees. And that's going to be kind of slow because I don't like to overcook things. So pardon me for that. Now, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get my marinara sauce. Okay. I already have it open. And what I did was I actually got, I have the, well, I actually have two different cheeses. I will see how it's going to work out. I have an Italian style, which is 5 different cheeses, or maybe 6. It's Asiago, Parmesan, mozzarella, smoked provolone, and Romano Fontina. Okay? What I'm going to do first is I'm going to spread some of this at the bottom of the casserole dish, right? So I'm going to do that. Alright? I'm going to do a little bit of that. Not a whole lot. Okay? And then I'm going to put some of this marinara on top. Right? That's it. So I did it. And I'm going to spread a little bit. Like I said, sloppy cook. See, I'm going to laugh. Okay. I'm going to spread them out a little bit. Y'all like it? Y'all like it? Yeah. That's just funny. Alright. So now I'm going to take the eggplant. I'm going to place it on top. Because I like it double whammy, you know? I don't know about other people, but I like it double whammy. You know? I like to put it all in there together. I like it drowned in it. I like it to be really, really good. Put that in there. See? I got a lot of pieces too, so I'm going to have to cram it in here a little bit into the casserole dish. Because, you know, I just can't do regular stuff. It's just like following the rules. It's just not a thing for Therese. Oh, I told you my real name. Oh, well. So, slam it in there. Slam it in there. You see, I'm just ramming in there because I'm a sloppy cook. I swear to goodness, y'all. Like, my food is so good, but I'm such sloppy. Such a sloppy cook. It's like, I don't know what that is. Can somebody explain why I'm a sloppy cook? It's very strange. I think you girlies could tell me, right? Why am I such a sloppy cook, girlies? Okay, so. Oh, I'm this one for the win. See. Okay, so now I'm putting more Parmesan on top. And obviously, I'm a sloppy camera holder too. And then finally, I'm gonna put some more cheese on top. Of course, you know I can't really like more cheese, you know. Gotta put more cheese on there. You know what I mean? I'm doing it like that, but I'm gonna spread it, you know. So I'm gonna do it again. And I'm gonna put this in the oven when it's ready. I know Yoki gonna laugh her butt off when she see this. I hope she don't look at this. So embarrassing. Don't look at this, Yoki. This is embarrassing. But this is how I cook stuff. And then, you know, like on top of that, it'd be so good. Like, I don't even care what it look like. You know, hold on. Put some more in there. Hold on. Because, you know, you can never have too much of that. You know what I should do, you guys? Nah, I probably shouldn't. I don't know if I should. No. Because you know what? Sometimes when you drain the eggplant out, because I have a pre-step process with the eggplant where I drain the water out by using salt. So I'm kind of scared to put like too much seasoning because the eggplant may be salty, and I tried to rinse it out really good, but I had a couple of instances where it was really salty and I didn't like it. So I'm kind of afraid to put extra seasonings in there because of that reason. It's not because I want it to be bland, but because the eggplant may have too much kosher salt in it. So I'm a little nervous about that, honestly. So I'll just season to taste. You know what I mean? Like I'll just wait to season to taste. I don't want to overdo it because I don't like people having too much soda and stuff, especially women, because you know, like I know, like sometimes on cycles and stuff, your ankles will swell up and stuff. This will stuff like that. So I don't want to advise you to do something like that. But eggplant parmesan is cool. You just gotta do it very carefully. So now the oven is heated. It's ready to go. And now, look at my fingers. I'm gonna put it in the oven. I'm gonna do it for about 30 to 40 minutes. And then I'll take it out and then I'll show you the result. Okay?